Hello everyone, welcome to Sunday Night Fever. Houston, Texas versus the Dirty Birds featuring Jay Scratcher. And this week I have tickets 21, 22, and I have two $5 Texas Lottery Texans tickets. Let's see if we can find, I'm trying to find that goalpost. And if we find a goalpost, it's 5 times. And the football symbol we found a couple of times. That is just instant. All right, here I go. Thanks, babe. I'm using Jim Tuyo's coin. Come. And if y'all want to know how Jay Scratcher and I are doing, y'all look at our past videos. We do it every Sunday. Y'all should go check them out. We have no symbols. Do we have a 29? Nope. 35? Nope. 18? Do we have an 18? Nope. 38? 38, bunch of one-offs. 19, nope. Okay, on to tickets 22. Let's do the numbers. 28, 11, 1, 20, and 7. 29, 17, 34, 9, 13, 25, 32, 24, 23, 2, 5, 37, 27, bunch of one-offs, 4, 40, 39, 14, 3, last chance, 21, one-offs. Alright everyone, I busted this week. Everyone, go check out Jay Scratcher. If you're not subbed to him, please go and sub to him. He has awesome content. He does mini group books. He does group books. He does 4-way splits. Yeah, go check him out. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed night. Bye.